We are excited to announce the launch of a highly anticipated LulzBot TAS accessory, the Dual Extruder Toolhead. This accessory gives you the freedom of multi-material 3D printing on your LulzBot TAS. It ships with 2 of our standard extruders, meaning you can print with a wide range of materials like PLA, ABS, HIPS, laywood, laybrick, and more. Or, as we're showing here, you can print with 2 different colors of the same material. All TAS 4 and later models come assembled with a plug-in port for the dual extruder on the electronics case. Other versions of the TAS do have the ability to use a dual extruder with some modifications. With the dual extruder toolhead, you can do more than ever with your LulzBot 3D printer. Learn more and buy yours today at lulzbot.com. Thanks for watching.